In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on X, Twitter. If your inbox keeps filling up with emails from X every time there's a new like, mention, or recommendation, this walkthrough will help you quiet things down in just a few taps. We're focusing specifically on email notifications, so you'll stop getting routine messages from X in your email while keeping your account active and your in-app experience intact. Start by opening the Settings and Privacy menu. This is the main hub for adjusting how X communicates with you. Depending on your device, you'll find it in the Account or Profile menu. On mobile, it's typically behind your profile picture. On desktop, it's in the sidebar. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, head into the Notifications section. Think of this area as your control center for everything related to alerts and messages from X. Inside Notifications, select Email Notifications. This section manages the messages X sends to your email address about activity on your account and content the platform thinks you might like. It might include things like mentions, replies, recommendations, or updates about what's trending. Opening this page gives you a single place to manage all of those emails. Now toggle off the email notification switch. Flipping this master switch to off tells X to stop sending you routine notification emails. The change takes effect moving forward, so you shouldn't see new non-essential messages coming in after this. You don't need to hit save. X applies the setting automatically. Keep in mind that critical service emails, such as password resets or essential account notices, may still arrive. Those aren't considered standard notifications and are important for keeping your account secure. A few quick notes to help you feel confident about this change. Turning off email notifications does not affect push notifications on your phone or the alerts you see inside the app. You'll still be able to check your notifications tab on X whenever you want and stay on top of what matters without the extra clutter in your inbox. If you ever change your mind, just come back to the same email notifications page and turn the switch back on. That's it. By going to Settings and Privacy, opening notifications, tapping email notifications, and switching email notifications off, you've streamlined your digital life and reclaimed your inbox. Thanks for watching and enjoy the quieter, more focused X experience.